Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to change menu font size on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to actually access our Shopify store's admin page. So in this case, go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and open up your store's admin page. Now from here, we need to first view our site. In this case, go ahead and go to online store here, click on the view your online store, and they should open up a new tab. Now in this case, we need to get some details about our navigation here. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to right click on your browser here and click on inspect. So by the way, I'm using Google Chrome here if you want to follow the exact step here, because depending on your browser, the steps might be different for you. In this case, what we need to do is we need to use the option that says select an element, and from here we need to go to a specific section here. Go ahead and click on one of the navigation items here, and what you need to do is you need to look for a specific class. In this case, once we selected it, as you can see, we have the ID, href, and class section here. So let's go ahead and go to class and copy the first thing that you see here, which is most likely going to be the class name header menu dash item. So let's go ahead and copy that section. And from here, we need to go back to our store. So let's go back into my store. And from here, we want to go ahead and go to online store again. Click on themes and click on customize. What we need to do next is we need to add a specific CSS. Now to apply this to our whole site, we need to go to our theme settings here. Scroll down a bit, go to custom CSS and type in the following. In this case, it's going to be a dot since it's a class. Paste the following item or name or the class name of the navigation that we just copied and add two brackets. In this case, we just need to type in the font size option or code here. Let's just type in font dash size, add a colon, and from here just indicate the size that I want to use. So for example, I want to add maybe 30 pixels. It's going to be this one, and add a semicolon to apply changes. As you can see, it's now a lot bigger. Now, if you want to increase the size or make it a lot bigger, you could go ahead and do that. So, for example, 100 pixels here. So, in this case, that would apply the changes that we just did. In this case, actually, that's about it. So, hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.